Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a funny cat meme. So let's get started. To draw this cute cat, let's first start by drawing a curve for the top of the head. So I'm going to come right here and just going to draw a soft curve. And then from there I'm going to draw some ears. I'm going to go up, round off the tip, bring it down. And as I bring it down, I'm just kind of imagining this head shape right here, this big oval. So I'm going to bring it down to about right here. And same thing over here. So about right there, round it off and bring it down. Then from there, just like I said, I'm imagining this ovalish shape. So about right here, you're going to bring it down and same thing here. Just for a simple, generalized cat head shape. So we'll bring it in and about right here. Bring it in and same thing here. There. So now that I have that, let's come over here. Just imagining this is connected. We're going to come in about right here and draw a little curve just so we can draw the inside of our ears. So same thing here. There. And then let's go ahead and bring this super cute cat to life. So I'm going to bring the eyes a little bit higher up so it looks a little bit sadder. And I'll start about right here and I'll go ahead and draw a circle. Our goal is to make this cat really sad. And then we're going to come right across about right here and draw another circle. When I saw this meme, it was like the cutest thing ever. So then to make these eyes sad, I'm going to try this new way of doing it. So hopefully it works. I'm going to come right here and draw a bigger circle. We want to make it look like it's teary, and then a small little one right here. And then we can come in here and I'm just going to go around about right here. Just give it a little bit of a white space right there and then shade everything else in. Hopefully this will make it look sadder. There, and same thing here. So bigger circle here. And then a smaller one here. And then go around. And then shade it all in. And then right here at the top, very important, we're going to add a curve going this way on top of the eyes. This just makes it look even sadder. And then right in between the eyes, we're going to draw a little tiny little nose. It's like a little rounded off triangle. And then underneath that, let's add a small little curve. Oh, so hopefully that does look sad, right? And bring this in a little bit more. Okay, so then from there I'm going to add some stripes for our kitten right here. So right in the center I'm going to add a longer rounded off V and then two more on the sides. There. Then from there, let's see here. Let's go ahead and we're going to draw the toilet, right? This is what we're drawing here. So I'm going to come about right here. Let's see, let's say about right here. I'm going to give myself a little line on both sides. So let's bring a little, go across, draw a little line, and then we're going to slightly round it off and then angle out. So we're drawing the opening right here and then angle it out. So let's go around and about right here, we're going to bring it in and connect it with a curve. There, so we're just creating this shape around our kitten here. And then to make sense of all this, let's finish our kitten now that we have that shape in. So about right here and here, and I'm going to draw the body, just curve coming down on both sides. And then I can come in here, just break up, and then we can just draw some curves. So it looks like fur right there. Okay, there. And then let's see here. Then let's come back in here, and we're going to follow what I drew, and then curve and taper in. Same thing here. Curve and then taper in. So it just looks like our cat is inside. Then let's come back to the top, say about right here. Now we're just going to draw the seat. So I'm going to give myself another little line, go all the way across. Same thing on this side, and then we're just going to kind of follow this shape. So this is a seat here. We're going to go angle it out. A wide perspective. So about right there, I'm going to round it off on both sides. Just go back and forth, and then let's bring it in. And about right there, go ahead and connect to create our seat. There, so hopefully it's starting to make sense here. And then right here, I'm just going to draw a curve down. We're not going to finish it because the most important part is our kitten. And then let's go back right here. We're going to draw the cover. So we're going to go up, just past our kitten a little bit, and same thing here. Go up and a little bit more. There, and let's see, and then we can draw some whiskers. I have enough room here, maybe about here, somewhere where I can kind of tuck it in without hitting too many things. So, and it's kind of, whiskers are down, and let's see, we can add some stripes here. There. Okay, so then now the drawing is pretty much done, and then we need to write the meme, right? So the meme is maybe I am the poop. So hopefully you love this. I think this is so cute. So we're going to write maybe I am at the top. So I'm going to start by right here. I'm just going to pass the seat here a little bit, and I'm just going to write my M, and I'm aiming to. So what I found is a little trick when I'm writing is if I'm running out of room, I just write my words thinner, right? If I have too much room, I just make it a little bit wider. So maybe I am. So right here. Just trying to get my camera, try to be a little bit straight. So but I am right here. Stretch it out. Maybe I am the poop. So at the bottom right here, I'm going to write the nice big O so it can fit all there. Maybe I am the poop. And I'm going to come in here real quick and thicken it up. Just to spruce it up. Maybe I am, and then T. There. And I'll add a little heart right here. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this funny cat meme turned out and I helped you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.